Welcome to Amenify. Today, we're exploring a critical aspect of property management, the impact of turnover cleaning services on tenant satisfaction. Turnover cleaning services are essential for ensuring that apartments are impeccably clean and move-in ready for new tenants. This goes beyond mere cleanliness. It's about creating an exceptional first impression. A thoroughly cleaned, fresh-smelling apartment can significantly enhance tenant satisfaction. It establishes a positive rental experience right from the start. Turnover cleaning services uphold the highest standards of living spaces. This meticulous approach leads to increased tenant retention and minimizes complaints. For property managers, investing in professional cleaning services means reduced vacancy periods and attracting high-quality tenants. It's a strategic move that benefits everyone. Whether you're a property manager or a tenant, remember, cleanliness is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a welcoming and comfortable home. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more professional insights.